everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove account from Microsoft Authenticator application. First, you just have to go to Microsoft Edge or go to any web browser and then type Microsoft account. And then here, what you want to do next is go to your profile and then tap Manage Account. Now, under Manage Account, you will see options here like privacy and others. You just have to go directly to security. Now, under security, you will see here options like sign activity, password security, advanced security options, stay secure with Windows. You just have to tap this advanced security options. So once you click this one, below here, you will see options like email code and send sign in notifications. So what you want to do to remove your Microsoft Authenticator app is to tap this one, and then you will see remove here, remove button. Click this. As you can read here, remove Microsoft Authenticator app. So are you sure that you want to remove the Microsoft Authenticator app? Tap remove. And then after you click this, you have to click OK. Then on your mobile device, you will see a notification that you have already removed Microsoft Authenticator application. So you can just sign in or log in to your Microsoft account smoothly. And that's how easy it is to remove account from Microsoft Authenticator app. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.